Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to EA Tactical Football. Today I'm going to show you how you can claim a free pack, how you can get a free pack from the store. Let's start by tapping store button, and you have there are some options that you have to top up, but you can get a small daily bonus pack. It's quite helpful for beginner player. This one is free, no need to top up your account. Tap free, you can get 30 tactical scout or tactical point and enhancement experience and coin to level up your player. And complete you already got the pack. So thank you for watching. This video is for beginner, for new to the player. I hope it's very helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.